Hey digital diamonds, it's time for another digital gem. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome back to Digital Healthcare Solutions, a healthcare network developed to equip, empower, and encourage a thriving digital healthcare nomad community. Today we're diving into an essential topic that affects everyone, health insurance. Whether you're a seasoned healthcare professional, a student, a patient, or someone just starting a journey into the world of health insurance coverage, today's discussion is packed with valuable insights. We'll be breaking down the different types of insurance coverage, explaining how each one works, and providing distinctions that support alternative decision-making when needed. When it comes to health insurance, understanding the basics can significantly impact the type of care received and how much is ultimately paid out of pocket. If you want to get an overview of managed care basics, check out our video called Unlock Managed Care. In this video, we simplify the process of understanding what is a health maintenance organization, commonly referred to as a HMO, a preferred provider organization, referred to as a PPO, and a point of service plan, referred to as POS. In this video, we'll review their rules, requirements, and how they relate to an MCO, that is, a managed care organization. But wait, don't run, we made it brief and easy. For right now, let's start with the Indemnity plan, also known as fee-for-service. This type of plan covers all medically necessary services, allowing the patient to choose their healthcare providers. While it provides the freedom to go to any doctor or hospital, it usually comes with an annual deductible, meaning the person who is insured will need to meet that cost threshold before their insurance kicks in. Additionally, the insured party may be reimbursed for the provider's services, based on what's considered the usual and customary fee for the area. So with an indemnity fee-for-service plan, individuals should be prepared for upfront costs, without discounts or pre-authorization requirements. While this offers greater control over care, the costs can add up quickly. It's important to know that health insurance, as complicated as it is made out to be, is typically categorized into two main types: group insurance and individual insurance. Group insurance is commonly provided by employers or organizations. With group insurance, one master policy covers all eligible employees or members along with their dependents. Because it's a collective policy, premiums are lower, and the benefits are often better compared to individual insurance. This makes it a more affordable option for families, as it includes dependents like same-sex and opposite-sex spouses, and children. The reduced premiums make this coverage accessible and manageable, especially when healthcare costs are on the rise. Individual insurance, on the other hand, is tailored specifically for individuals and their dependents. Since there's no group rate to soften the cost, premiums tend to be higher. However, individual insurance may offer more flexibility in choosing coverage that fits an individual's personal needs. This is especially important for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and anyone not receiving employer-based coverage. Now, let's talk about the various levels of coverage to take into consideration. There's a big difference between basic and comprehensive insurance. A basic health insurance plan may cover doctor visits, hospital care, and some surgical services. However, a comprehensive plan, also referred to as major medical insurance, may offer protection against massive, unexpected medical bills that can arise from unforeseen or prolonged illnesses, not to mention catastrophic events. A comprehensive insurance plan or policy provides medical necessities like doctor visits, inpatient and outpatient hospital care, mental health services, pregnancy, childbirth, and pediatric care, along with prescription medication, laboratory tests, and surgical services. While comprehensive insurance comes with a higher premium, the security it provides to many people facing a healthcare crisis may be invaluable. In addition to healthcare services that may be covered in a typical comprehensive plan, let's review some targeted types of insurance plans that may be offered in a comprehensive insurance package. For example, a person might purchase a special risk insurance policy for high-risk environments, situations, or events that may expose them to greater risk, like a family history of specific illnesses, occupational hazards, personal safety risk like professional athletes and dancers, travel insurance, including commercial airlines, private planes, trains, and ships, kidnap and ransom insurance, in addition to a larger variety of other special risk. If someone is looking for a potentially budget-friendly option, catastrophic health insurance is one of the least expensive forms of coverage available. It's ideal for healthy individuals who can handle regular medical expenses on their own, but want coverage for worst-case scenarios. With high deductibles and caps on how much the policy will pay out, this insurance is most suitable for patients who can manage routine care costs, but need protection against major unexpected health events. Fun fact, did you know that hospital indemnity insurance can sometimes pay a patient directly instead of paying the hospital? That's right. With this type of insurance, a patient may receive a fixed amount per day for hospital stays, and use that money however they need, whether it's to cover medical bills or even household expenses like rent or groceries. This flexibility can be a game changer, especially when balancing medical costs with everyday life. Okay, back to the biz. Let's delve into hospital-related insurance. Hospital insurance acts as a safety net for inpatient care. It covers room allowances, operating room fees, x-rays, lab work, and other essential medical services. Keep in mind that this coverage only applies if a patient is admitted to the hospital for at least 24 hours, so short-term visits might not be fully covered. Unlike hospital insurance, hospital indemnity insurance focuses on providing a set payment for each day a patient spends in the hospital. While the amount may not fully cover the total cost of the patient's stay, it can help offset out-of-pocket costs or other expenses a primary policy doesn't cover. It may be an excellent supplemental policy to have if a patient anticipates long hospital stays or needs extra financial support during treatment. If a patient is not staying in the hospital overnight, then medical insurance, often referred to as outpatient insurance, may likely come into play. This policy covers physician fees, outpatient procedures, and diagnostic services like lab tests and x-rays. This option may be ideal for regular doctor visits, minor procedures, and preventive care, helping to avoid paying full price for each visit. For more specific needs, surgical insurance is designed to cover costs associated with surgery, whether it's performed in a hospital, an outpatient center, or even a doctor's office. This type of coverage is essential for anyone facing the possibility of surgery, as it includes fees for both the surgeon and anesthesia while safeguarding the patient from being left with a hefty bill after a necessary procedure was performed. For temporary coverage needs, short-term health insurance might be the right fit for a patient. These policies are available for specific periods and can range from catastrophic to comprehensive coverage. However, they often have strict qualifying procedures and usually don't cover pre-existing conditions, such as pregnancy or childbirth. So it's important for a patient to fully understand what's included before purchasing. And let's not forget about COBRA. The Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act allows a patient to continue their group health coverage after leaving a job, but there's a catch. The patient will be paying the full premium, including the portion their employer used to cover. While it can be expensive, it offers a safety net for up to 18 months, making it a valuable option for patients in between jobs or transitioning to new employment. Long-term care insurance is critical for patients planning for the future, covering medical and custodial care services. This includes in-home care, assisted living, and nursing home facilities. Whether a patient has aging parents or anticipates long-term healthcare needs, this policy ensures that the cost of extended care won't drain their savings or limit their options for quality care. Finally, supplemental insurance, like Medigap policies, fills in the gaps left by a patient's primary health insurance. This is especially useful for covering out-of-pocket costs like coinsurance or expenses not covered by Medicare. For seniors, Medigap can provide an added layer of financial protection when Medicare coverage falls short. There you have it, Digital Diamonds. We have equipped you with a comprehensive breakdown of the different types of health insurance coverage available today. From basic hospital plans to specialized risk insurance and long-term care, understanding the nuances of these policies helps everyone to make better informed selections. But please remember, the right health insurance plan should fit a person's lifestyle, medical needs, and financial situation. Well, Digital Diamonds, we believe we achieved our goal once again. Along with your support, we are committed to building a sustainable digital nomad community by providing you with a variety of insights and information. And because this is our collective community, we deeply value and appreciate your feedback. So, drop us a message in the comments with your specific request or questions. With that, and until next time, and as always, we hope and trust this information will be used and shared as a valuable tool as you strive to be a digital diamond. But no matter what you do, remember, because you strive to be a digital diamond, You read everything. Your knowledge is broad and expansive. You attract success, and you create the life that you want to live. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, get engaged in the comments, and become part of the digital healthcare nomad community. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Your support helps us create more great videos for you.